What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to create the multiple browser profile in Mozilla Firefox. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do here, you can navigate your cursor into this window and you can start to give the right click and click run. And after that, you need to put this code or this keyword like this firefox.exe and give the space stripe P in the uppercase. And after that, you can start to click OK. And after that, this will be the section that can help you to create a lot of profiles, which means it will help you to organize the Firefox or the browser profile to not being mixed, let's say, with your entertainment purposes, working purposes, and also, let's say, the design purposes. So the aim to create this profile is helping you to make it more organized. The browser of the working space is only for the working purposes only. So the entertainment is only for the entertainment. And for example, if you would like to create the new one, so you can click this create profile and click next. And after that, you can also select the folder by click this choose folder. And for example, you can create the new folder over here. And for example, I will create the profile for the, let's say, cartoon. And select the folder like this. And after that, you can start to give the name of your profile. I will give the name cartoon and click finish. And after that, it will officially added into this section. And if you'd like to add the another one, for example, the profile for the learning AI, for example, and you can choose the folder and make your own folder too. Again, learning AI, for example, and select the folder. And after that, you can start to click finish. And for example, I want to open my profile just to working, so I will visit this working space and click this start Firefox. So this browser is gonna only use for the working purposes, guys. And if you close this Firefox and if you open the available shortcut, whenever if you would like to open it, it will always confirm to you which profile that you would like to use. For example, today I want to create the cartoon, so I will choose the cartoon and start the Firefox. And for example, I want to create the cartoon but also enjoying the entertainment, so you can open this Firefox again and click this entertainment and start the Firefox like this. And if you would like to remove one of the profile, don't worry, because you can select the profile. For example, I will choose this cartoon. However, I need to close from this browser first. And after that, by selecting it, then you can start to delete profile. And you can see here there are three options, which is don't delete the files, or delete the files also, and cancel. Which one do you prefer? And for example, I will choose all over or the entire data and also the profile. So I will choose this delete files. And after that, this cartoon officially removed from this list of the profile. So you can also do the rename for this profile. For example, select this learning AI and rename profile, and you can start to give the another name. For example, only AI, and click OK. and after that it officially renamed here. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.